Here's a 2012 BMW 5 Series. With its exceptionally good looks, powerful performance, and refined style, it transforms your driving experience. 2012's recalibrated the throttle for less lag than the previous year. And it comes with all the amenities you need: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, power tilting steering column, auto dimming rearview mirror, and refrigerated box located in the console. New Car Test Drive explain the modular BMW interior, much of which finds its way into models from the top of the line to the bottom, is handsome and contemporary. Thrilling performance, relaxing luxury, it's everything in perfect harmony. Experience it for yourself today.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.